Hi guys, today I will show you how to manage your Google password on your Xiaomi Poco M4. To do it, in the first step we must go to the Google Chrome and there 3 dots on the right corner and go to the setting, where we have second option passwords, and there we can manage our Google passwords. For example, we can turn on or turn off function of auto-syncing on save password, or we have our password which our Xiaomi remember. For example, to the Twitter or Messenger. What we can do with it? We can click there and now we can copy an email or copy a password, or after we click on eyes icon, our Xiaomi show us our password. We can delete this what Xiaomi remember by this icon and confirm by delete password. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.